welcome to everyone. My name is Rifa Ahmed of class 7A from Priyamshi School, JNV Sagar.
So today I am going to do an activity on acid and base. At first we have to take turmeric powder, water and mix it well. Then apply the turmeric paste on the paper. And let it dry.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
After letting it dry, I cut the paper into 4 strips. Now I am going to mix detergent powder and water. Now we have to take a lemon and squeeze it. Then we are going to take the detergent solution and dip one of the turmeric paper strip on the solution. The strips turns into red. Turmeric is an indicator. Turmeric has curcumin, which is a natural pH indicator. Detergent is a basic, so when turmeric hits it, curcumin reacts and changes structure, turning red. That's why turmeric stains on clothes go red with soap. This time we have to turn the red paper strip into yellow. So again I dip the paper into detergent solution. Now dip the turmeric paper strip into lemon juice. Look, the paper strip turned red to yellow. The paper strip turned into yellow from red because when we put lemon juice or vinegar into the red turmeric detergent solution, acid cancels the base. Curcumin changes back into its original structure in acid, so the color goes from red yellow again.